Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are conducting the webinar on the advantages of renewing your BLS Busy License subscription. In this webinar, we will understand this topic with the help of this presentation. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me at the end of this session. You can send your queries in Q&A after closing this session. Let us start this session. So first is session objectives. So these are the session objectives. Number one, what is BLS? Number two, the advantages of renewing your BLS. Number three, features linked with BLS. And number four is Q&A. So in last is Q&A for query session. And these are the three topics. What is BLS? The advantages of renewing your BLS, features linked with BLS. So these are the topics, and we will understand these points one by one in detail. Now we are starting. So number one is BLS. What is BLS? So starting from Busy 18, a license subscription model has been introduced called as Busy License Subscription, BLS. BLS stands for Busy License Subscription. With an active BLS, user will get all the Busy updates, major and minor, free of cost. After the expiry of BLS, user can get it renewed for a nominal amount. If BL is not renewed, so updates will be available. However, no update will be available. However, user would be able to use Busy forever with whatever release was available before the expiry of BLS. A part of Busy updated, a lot of other value-added services have been provided in Busy, which will be available only with an active BLS. So BLS is the Busy license subscription, and some many value-added services are associated with the BLS, which will be understand in the next slide. The advantages of renewing your BLS. So what are the advantages? As you know, there are many services associated with the BLS, such as GSP facilities, BDEPS facilities, mobile apps, updates, Google Drive connectivity. So these are the features, these are the facility which are associated with the BLS. User can use this feature if BLS is activated in the license. If BLS in the license has expired, and the user will not renewing the BLS in the license, so it will automatically stop and the user will not be able to use this feature. To run Busy smoothly and to use this most advanced feature in Busy, please keep your BLS active in the license and renew BLS timely. So multiple facilities are available in Busy software, but the most advanced facilities like GSP, BDAP, mobile apps updates, Google Drive connectivity, these facilities are available, but the condition is if your BLS is activated in the license, then you can use this feature. If BLS is expired, then you cannot use this feature. Let us understand one by one what features are connected with BLS. So let us see the feature associated with BLS. Let us start from the GSP feature. So first is GST validation. So GSP features are associated with BLS. Let us understand these features one by one. And number one is GST validation. So this feature is available in all the edition of Busy. GST validation is very useful feature. If you are a registered dealer in GST and you are creating a party account master in Busy software in your company, then you can validate the GST of the party with the help of this GST validation feature. You can check the party GST status and other details also in the GST validation window. You can validate the GST of parties in bulk also. This facility is also available in Busy software, and this feature is available in all the editions. Let us see in Busy the GST validation feature. So when you creating the company and after creating a company, if you are creating a account master, suppose you are adding a customer, adding a sundry creator party, then this feature is very useful to do if you are a registered dealer. See, this is the GST validation. You can see the button. Let me open another party. So see Busy Infotech. This is my party account master, and see, this is my GST number of party. And after specifying the GST number in party account master, you can validate the GST. So for using this option, you have to click on this button, validate GST online. After clicking on this button, this window appears and you can see the status. See, the status is active, and see all the details are showing in this window. Address and other details of which is related to this GST. And suppose if you want to create party from the GST, so you can use this feature. Let me search the GST number of any party on the Google. GST of SBI. So this is the GST number of State Bank of India, Tamil Nadu, and go in busy. Now, if you want to create a party from the GST, you can press F4 key, paste the GST number, and validate GST. See, so all the details are showing of ABI Group Private Limited. Okay, because this GST number belongs to ABI Group of Private Limited. All the details are showing, and you can click up on update back and quit button. So all the details will automatically pick and from this GST window, and you can save this party master. So this is very useful feature. You can check the GST status with the help of this feature. And if you want to validate GST in bulk, so you can go in transactions and validate GST online, multiple and single. You can select these options as per your need and see. So all the parties will show in the list, and you can click on this button, validate online. So all the GST number will validate automatically. So this is very useful feature, and this facility is available with active BLS only. Let us move to the next point. The next GSP feature, which are associated with GSP or BLS. See, the second option is number 2, HSN validation. So HSN validation feature is related to item master. This feature is also available in all the editions of Busy. When you create an item master in Busy software, you can validate the HSN code of item. Let me show you in Busy software how can you validate the HSN code. So suppose this is my party. Sorry, this is my company, and this is my item. So when you're creating item master, and see, after entering the HSN code, you can validate the HSN. See, so description are showing on the window. So you can check the status, you can check the description. So this facility is available in Busy software for HSN code, and validate HSN online. This facility is available with active BLS only. So if you want to use this feature, you have to renew your BLS. Next point number 3. So direct upload GSTR1. This feature is available in standard onward. So means this feature is not available in basic edition. This feature is available in standard and enterprise. Direct upload GSTR1. User can directly upload the GSTR1, means sales return, on the GST portal from the Busy software directly. But condition is your BLS should be active in the license. Then you can directly upload the GSTR1 from Busy software to GST portal. Let us show the option. Let us see the option. Let me open the Busy. See. So if you want to generate your GSTR1 directly from the Busy software and you want to upload directly on the GST portal, so you can go in display GST reports and GST returns. See, this is the GSTR1 e-return. Enter on this option. Now see, the first option is showing direct upload. This option will work if your BLS is activated in the license. So for direct upload GSTR1, you have to renew your license timely. Then you can generate, you can directly upload the GSTR1 very smoothly. This facility is also associated with BLS. Next, number 4. Number 4 is automatic e-way bill generation. So as you know, if you are transporting your material to another state through vehicle and your invoice value is more than 50,000, then e-way bill is mandatory in GST. User can automatically generate e-way bill directly from the Busy software. Means after creating the transaction, you can upload the details on the e-way bill portal and take the printout directly from the Busy of e-way bill. And after generating the e-way bill, all the information, all the details of e-way bill automatically update in your Busy company. So the complete process is automatic in Busy software. And if you want to continuously use this feature, then BLS should be active in the license. So this is mandatory for transporting your material, and you can generate your e-bill automatically directly from the software. But condition is you have to active your keep active your BLS in the license. This feature is available in standard onwards, means this feature is available in standard and enterprise edition, not in basic. Next is e-invoice. So automatic e-invoice. If your sales turnover is more than threshold limit, as per the current scenario, threshold limit is 5 crores. Means in the current scenario, if your sales turnover is more than 5 crore, then user have to generate e-invoice. This is mandatory in GST, and after creating the transaction, all the details will be uploaded on the e-invoice portal and generate e-invoice. So this facility is available in Busy software. You can directly generate e-invoice from the Busy, and but the condition is BLS should be active in the license. Then you can generate e-invoice smoothly directly from the Busy software. Next is GSTR 1, 2A, 2B, 3B download and reconciliation. So GSTR automatic reconciliation facility is available in Busy software, means user can reconcile the Busy company's data with GST return on the portal. This feature is very important, and this feature is very useful. You can reconcile your details of sales, purchase, and other with the GST portal. So this facility is available in Busy software, but this feature in available in standard onwards and standard and enterprise, not in basic. And this facility is associated with BLS. So if you want to use this feature, then you have to renew your BLS. Next is check party return filing status. So as you know, in GST, your input tax claims depend on the party GST filing return. If your party is not filed the return on time, then you cannot claim the input tax. So with help of this feature, you can check the GST return filing status of the party. And if party history is fine, then you can purchase the goods and services from the party, and no issue will come when you claim the input tax. So this facility is available in Busy software, but with the active BLS. Let me show you in Busy how can you check the party return filing status. So suppose, let me open this my company. This is my company, and you want to check the party return filing status. So you have to go in transaction, GST miscellaneous utility, and this is the option check party return filing status. Enter on this, and here 3 options are showing: one party, all transacted party, and self. So you can check one party status, you can check self status, and all transacted party also. Let us select the one party, and now see, this is see. So status are showing of return filing. So on which date party filing the return, you can check. So this facility is available in Busy software, but standard onwards and with active BLS. Next is check electronics cash and credit ledger. So this is a report on Busy. User can check the electronic cash and credit ledger for e-wallet and e-passbook of GST. Let me show you in Busy where you can use this feature. So see, electronic register, GST register, and electronic cash and credit ledger. This is the report, and this report you can generate, you can view, but with active BLS only. Next is compare sales GSTR 1 and 3B. This feature is available in standard onwards. And if you want to check, if you want to reconcile the data of GSTR 1 and GSTR 3, you want to compare the sales. So this facility is available in Busy software, but with active BLS. Next are connectivity with Google Drive. So Google Drive connectivity features are associated with BLS. Let us understand these features one by one. So number one is uploading documents on the Google Drive. So user can send any report to Google Worksheet directly from the Busy. User can upload Busy generated documents like invoice, receipt, debit note, credit note, etc. on the Google Drive. So if your BLS is active in the license, then user can send a report, a screen report in the Google Sheet. You can export the report in the Google Sheet, and you can upload the document like invoice, receipt, debit note, credit note, etc. So these documents you can upload on the Google Drive and you can view. Next is auto busy data backup on Google Drive. So as you know, busy is desktop based software. So your data will be stored on the local system. Suppose any virus attack on the system, then your data can be corrupt and your work will be stuck. So if you have data backup, then you can continue your work. Otherwise, your work will be stopped. Busy provides this feature, auto data backup facility, and with help of this feature, you can configure the auto backup configuration and schedule the time of backup. After this configuration in a Busy Agent tool, data will be uploaded automatically on the Google Drive. And if any virus attack on the system, your data is safe and secure. You can download the data backup from the Google Drive and restore in any system and continue your work. So this facility is also available, but with active BLS only. Other important features are associated with the BLS. Let us see. Number one is updates. So busy product related update will be available with the active BLS. We regularly improve the features in busy software. For this, we launch the release on time to time. If you want to work in the latest release of busy software, then BLS should be active in the license. So for release update, for version update, this is mandatory. If you have active BLS, then you can update your release. Next is BDEP, is Busy Data Exchange Platform. With this service, you can exchange data invoice electronically with other user of Busy. Suppose if seller and buyer both are using Busy software, they can exchange the invoice with the help of this BDEP service feature. So this facility is available in Busy software with active BLS only. Next is Audit Trail. So Audit Trail refer to keeping record of all the activities related to each and every business transaction as per the MC guideline with effect from 1st April 2023. Audit Trail is mandatory for private limited and public limited companies. BLS is mandatory for Indian companies to maintain the Audit Trail feature. So if you want to maintain the Audit Trail feature, then BLS is mandatory in the license, then you can use this. Next is event notification feature. So user can get the notification of a specific event like user login, user logout, add, modify, delete voucher and master on his mobile through the Busy BNS app. This facility is available. You can send the notification on Busy BNS app like these events, and this facility is related with your data safety, and you can use this feature but with active BLS only. Next, mobile applications. So we have two mobile applications. Number one is a Busy BNS app, Android and iOS based mobile app, which can be used to receive message, PDF, attachment of invoice, reports, alerts, and other business notification of Busy. So if you want to use the Busy BNS app on your smartphone, then BLS you have to renew. Busy mobile apps. So Busy mobile app, 100+ reports are available in the mobile app. Quotation and invoice, order, receipt, these transactions you can create directly from the mobile app. Multiple reports are available like sales, purchase, receivable, payable, stock summaries. So we have multiple reports in the Busy mobile app. And if you want to use Busy mobile app for data viewing, then it's mandatory. You have to renew your BLS, then you can use Busy mobile apps. So these are the features which are associated with BLS. And if you want to use this feature, then this is mandatory. You have to renew the BLS, and for further assistance, call to our helpdesk team. 5x82 you can dial for support, and for renewing the BLS, you can directly contact our helpdesk team. 5x82 you can dial, and they will help you. They will tell you about the charges of BLS. And thank you very much, friends, for joining this webinar. I hope you understood what are the features are related to the BLS and advantage of renewing BLS. Thank you very much.